Well, greetings, folks. It's another beautiful day here in Oxford, North Carolina. Beautiful spring day. It feels like it's 80-something in the greenhouse. Once again, still haven't gotten the thermometer down here. And it's probably 60-something outside. It's just gorgeous. Absolutely magnificent. Windy as usual. Slept great in a tiny scrap house last night. And this week we're devoting our attentions to finishing up the rain gutter garden system. And of course, I'll take a bunch of pictures and stuff and try to improve my documentation of the process as we go along. And so I went, just got back from Lowe's, got 40 feet of gutter. So that'll finish off the, well, these are old scrap pieces that I hooked into to the plumbing system. And just to get everything squared away and where it belongs, all the lengths of the PVC pipes and so on and so forth in order. So I've got fresh gutters from this morning over at Lowe's, and got a bunch of end pieces for the far ends over there, and various other things, some smart pots and a couple of cups for the rain gutter system. Anyway, so we'll be moving forward with this project, and probably won't take very long, hopefully. And when I'm done with that, I've decided I think I want to turn my attention to replacing this segment of Boardwalk. And not just replacing it, but actually putting in the infrastructure for some permanence. And make it straight, get it all situated off these blocks and so on and so forth. So I think we're approaching the point where I can actually start going over some of this stuff that's been functional for the last 2 years, and start replacing with something that's more form and function and permanence. So let's hope it works out. And so anyway, for now, enjoy the peace of nature while I get ready to begin. Just magnificent.